Welcome to AT Math Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to factorize the quadratic expression. And expression for today is x squared minus 13x minus 48. So my standard quadratic expression is x squared plus bx plus c. And we need to multiply the constant and the coefficient of x squared and we get the products that should be matched with the number that we have here in the middle for b. So in order to get the value of b here, we need to multiply the numbers on the corner, and when you add those two numbers you need to get the value of b, and when you multiply it need to be the product of these corner terms. So here when you observe, the coefficient of x square is 1 and constant is minus 48. So when I multiply these two, 1 into x square and minus 48, I will be getting it as minus 48x square. And for the middle term, I have minus 13x. So I need to take two numbers such that when I add two numbers, I need to get the result as minus 13x. And when I multiply those two numbers, I need to get the result as minus 48x square. So let's take 48, because when I multiply I need to get it as minus 48x squared. So I'm taking minus 48, and the products for 48 are 2 and 24 in 2 table, and 3 in, if you go in 3 table, it is 3, and 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 16. So now you can check it out. You need to add or subtract these two numbers and see if you are getting 13. 2 plus 24 is 26, and 2 minus 24 is 22, minus 22. 3 plus 16 is 19, but 3 minus 16 gives us minus 13. So when you subtract these two numbers, you need to subtract these two numbers, then 3 minus 16, which is minus 13, you got the middle number, and when you multiply those two numbers you are getting the product, which is 48. So hence the two numbers here are 3 and 16. So how to keep the sign for that? It is minus 13, so it should be 3 and minus 16, because 3 minus 16 gives us minus 13, and 3 into minus 16 gives us minus 48. So this is satisfied and this is satisfied. So for factorization, we are writing here as x squared minus 16x plus 3x minus 48. When you observe, x square into 48 is minus 48x square. So 16x minus 16x into 3x is 16 times 3 is minus 40. Minus 16 into 3 is minus 48, and x into x is x square. So the product is satisfied, and minus 16x plus 3x gives us minus 13x. Hence we have written this expression as this. So from here I take x as common, and I am left over with x and minus 16 here, and you need to get x minus 16 in my second term too. So in order to get, so we are taking 3 as common from second term, and I'll be left over with x, and for minus, and 3 times 16 is 48. So when you observe, you got the similar term x minus 16. When you take it as common, you will be left over with x in first term and plus and 3 in second term. So this is the final answer for factorization of this particular quadratic expression. So this is how you solve it. You need to multiply the constants with the coefficient of x square, and you got it as minus 48 into 1 into x square, so which is minus 48x square. You need to think of two numbers. When they are multiplied, you need to get it as product minus 48x square. When you add it, it needs to be minus 13x. So thinking of two numbers is 3 and 16 is getting satisfied with two conditions. So 3 and minus 16. So I have written it as minus 13x can be written as minus 16x plus 3x. So it minus 16x plus 3x is minus 13x, and minus 16x multiplied with 3x gives us this product, which is minus 48x square. So these are the two numbers that satisfy the conditions. And here I took x as common and I got x minus 16. In order to get x minus 16 in my second term, I need to take 3 as common here. In the two terms, 3x minus 48. So from here again I took x minus 16 as common. I'm left over with x and plus and 3. So this is how you solve the quadratic expressions factorization. Hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to AT Math Academy and enjoy doing math at AT. Thank you all.